Hi, I'm Heledd and today I'm going to make a simple version of Thomas Telford's Pontcysyllte Aqueduct. The materials you will need are cardboard. I've decided to use some from a cereal box. Cardboard rolls from toilet paper, sellotape, a crayon, a pencil, ruler and scissors. The first step is to tape 2 toilet rolls together using sellotape. Then, repeat this step with the other 2 toilet rolls to create 2 towers for the start of our bridge. Next, you will need cardboard, a pencil and a ruler. Use the width of the ruler and create a line at the bottom of the ruler. Then, we're going to do the same again, but from the line we have just drawn. Next, we're going to create an arch up towards the second line to create the shape of the arch that can be seen on the aqueduct. We are now going to follow this arch line and cut it out using scissors. Remember, be careful. Using the shape we have just cut out, we're going to use this as a template to cut out the second shape for the sides of our bridge. Next, we're going to stick the sides of the bridge to the 2 towers using sellotape. I'm starting on one side, then moving on to do the other side. Now it's time to decorate. You can use whatever you'd like, whether it be crayons, felt pens, glitter, pom-poms, but today I have decided to use paint to create the lines that could be seen on the aqueduct. And there we have our bridge. You can keep building to add to the length of the bridge by repeating these steps. The more materials you can collect, the longer your bridge will be.